Hey friends, if you wish to install and use WinRAR on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now here's the interesting thing, you won't find WinRAR on the Microsoft Store. There are many other zipping tools, even WinZip, but not this one. So here's what you can do. Search for it on Bing, WinRAR, and hit enter. Then click on download corresponding to that, and then you can download the latest version from the RAR lab, which is this one, and then click on open. And you can also go to the official website and download it from there, but this is the best way. Click on yes, and then click on install, and then select all of these options here, and then click on this, and then click on open. Now once you have installed WinRAR on your system, you can convert any file to zip accordingly. For example, if you want to change this one to zip, right click on it, and then you'll find the WinRAR option here. Click on this, and then click on add to archive, and then you can select the details, and then you can click on OK, and it will create an RAR file for that here. RAR files can, so the ideal way to open an RAR file is the WinRAR software. But I won't say that an RAR file can only be opened by that, because there are a lot of third-party tools which can open the RAR file. But typically it was to be opened by the WinRAR software. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.